Zip!
I really liked the Zip Zap Zop game, just something fun, lighthearted to do, and I really liked the gift exercise.
Oh, thanks. For nothing.
My favorite part was probably drawing the faces.
Go straight down.
I learned that it's okay to go into something being anxious, but to come out having had a good time or a good experience.
I feel less tense, just more willing to be open about anything that comes at me.
I like green beans, what do you like?
I'm Diana DePasquale. I'm one of 3 co-founders of Glass City Improv.
I like the moon, I like the earth.
I'm at the Sandusky County Department of Job and Family Services. I'm about to facilitate a team building workshop for the team members here.
Our agency has struggled with a lot of turnover in the last couple years, and that really brings the morale down.
I feel like to get through this job, you're either gonna cry a lot or you're gonna make jokes and get light through it.
Look at those big dilated pupils. All right, Dav is beautiful.
Team building workshops, even though we use improvisation, it's a concept called applied improvisation. It's different from people who want to use improvisation on a stage.
We came up with Pens Are Us.
I came across that it would be good for team building, to be able to help with those problem solving, critical thinking skills, being able to adapt quickly.
If I make eye contact with Summer and she makes eye contact with me and even smiles, I know that I can walk over there and she's going to allow me to do that, and then she's going to do that with someone else.
If we give people the tools of improvisation, they will be more open to accept their team members' offers or initiations, and that will lead to a more comprehensive sort of consideration of, ways to solve problems.
So you're each going to tell the previous person that you love what they brought, and then you are going to add something, and the person who goes after you is going to tell you that they loved your idea and add something else.
Working in this field, a lot of the times we have alone time in our office, we have a lot of paperwork, we have a lot of things that we need to get done, so it's not in our normal routine to really do team building exercises like this quite often, so it was nice getting out and building that with my team.
What was most interesting to watch is the difference in behavior between the people in the workshop at about 5 minutes before the workshop started to then right up until we finished. A lot of people came out of their shells, laughed a lot more, definitely talked about how they felt less nervous and they felt more relaxed and calm. And I'm always really excited to hear that too.
I absolutely had a blast doing this today. There was lots of laughter, and we all needed that.
All right.